This vegetarian mushroom pasta, it's super creamy, and there is no cream involved in the recipe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make it super creamy without the cream. I'll show you how to make this pasta in less than 15 minutes. It will become your favorite weekly meal. You are going to love it. To make mushroom pasta, I have 300 grams of Fettucce pasta. It is for 2 people, you can use less if you want. I chose Pastificio Liguori pasta because the pasta has been slowly dried at low temperatures and they use 100% Italian durum wheat. You need to trust your pasta. We're gonna use about 400 grams of mushrooms. So if I have 300 grams of pasta, use just a little bit more mushrooms, okay? And you will know why. So 400 grams of your favorite mushrooms. Today I chose Swiss brown mushrooms. I love porcini mushrooms, but you can use portobello mushrooms or any mushrooms that you want. Then we need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 per person, some nice chopped parsley, about 5 or 6 generous tablespoons of finely grated Pecorino Romano. You can also use Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. This cheese will help us to get the creaminess. About a standard half glass of milk, about 50-60 grams of butter. If you put a little bit more, it's okay. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. First thing we want to do is to cut the mushrooms. See, lots of people like to remove the skin from the mushrooms. I don't like it. I wash my mushrooms very well, and I love to cook every single part of this ingredient. So what we do is we remove this, and then we can cut. You can cut it as you like. Okay, please. You choose how to cut it. What I'm gonna do, I'm doing this, and now I'm gonna make small little pieces of mushroom. So this will be good. It will cook perfectly. This will shrink, okay? And the pasta will be able to hold this beautiful piece of mushrooms. If you make it too big, maybe that's too hard for the pasta to hold it. We are going to make this pasta in less than 15 minutes, hopefully 14 minutes. I'm starting to count the time from now. Are you ready? And go! Let's put the stove on a medium heat, and this is what we do. Extra virgin olive oil, generous. About 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Let's put a splash of water before the oil becomes hot. This way our garlic is not burning. Crush the garlic. You don't need much garlic, okay? If you want to use onion, you can use onion. Please feel free to replace the garlic with the onion. It's up to you. But this garlic now should cook in like 30 seconds. It becomes nice and golden. Beautiful smell from the garlic. Oh, the oil, it's the pan, so angry. It says, come on, add mushrooms. We're waiting for the mushrooms. All right, let's go. Before the garlic burns, let's put the mushrooms in. Beautiful. Oh, see, the oil now is happy, it's calm. So we've got these beautiful mushrooms here. They do need about 10 minutes or a little bit more to cook. But at this point, what you want to do is to stir them around. They will release a little bit of water, okay? Not yet. So to do that, I'm gonna help it. We're going to add some salt. Going to add some pepper. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the butter. Beautiful butter in there. The butter, we add flavors to this. I always put butter in my mushrooms. I never miss it. And you can avoid to use extra virgin olive oil, but I always use extra virgin olive oil. And see how creamy it is already? It's creamy. And also the mushrooms are gonna start releasing water. Like you see the mushrooms already shrunk. The flame is on a medium-high heat. You do need that, so it cooks faster. Actually, I can put it up a little bit more. It's been 5 minutes already, so we need to start boiling the pasta because it takes 8 minutes for the pasta to be cooked al dente. All right, boiling water, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now we open the packet of pasta. And we want to cook about 300 grams. And here we go. What we do is we push it down a little bit. Great. Push it down so the pasta doesn't get stuck. And now we know, in 8 minutes, this pasta will be ready, perfectly al dente. The smell of mushrooms, oh, I love it. Look at that. So as you can see, the mushrooms, they seem to be ready, but they're actually still a little bit hard. You want them to be a bit softer than that, okay? So 2 more minutes and they will be ready. Guys, it's 8 minutes, and watch, this is very important what we're doing now, okay? The pecorino makes it creamy, but this is a trick to make it extra creamy. What we do, we get some mushrooms, we're gonna blend them. I get about, I don't know, 100 grams of mushroom, like we're gonna keep this. This has to turn into cream. So what we do is add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to, just a little bit. And we quickly blend this. Ready? Now we add a splash of milk. Just put a splash of milk in there and mix it. Let's add a little bit of water or more milk, up to you, just to get the extra creaminess. Guys, this is what we want to achieve. Look, this is what we want to achieve. Creamy mushroom sauce. See that? This is 100% pure mushrooms. It's 11 minutes, okay? Now everything is gonna come together, okay? The pasta is almost ready. Let's finish the mushroom sauce. Parsley. Let's put a nice amount of parsley in there. Mix. I don't use cream, okay? I don't use cream for my cooking. You can use cream if you want to, but instead, I'm gonna use milk. So I'm gonna pour the milk in there now. Till milk it's gonna evaporate, but the milk is gonna it's gonna help us to make it a little bit creamier. But the cheese and the mushroom cream is what are super important in this recipe. You can avoid the milk if you want to. Just evaporate this milk. You can use any milk. You can use skim milk, you can use full cream milk. Look, I normally use full cream milk because, you know, I want to make it creamy. You can use skim milk if you want, but honestly, if you don't want to use milk, please do not use it. You can use pasta water instead. See how the milk already thickened? See, it's thickened. So we're ready. I think we're ready to add the pasta. Let's make sure the pasta is ready and the pasta can go in. We're going to add the cream that we blended. This is such an important step. Such an important step. And look at that now. Look at this. Look, it's thickening up. We got a natural mushroom cream. Wow, okay. This is calling for pasta. Pasta, where are you? Where are you, pasta? Come in, we need you. Look how creamy it is already, look how creamy. And I haven't added any pecorino cheese yet. The pasta has been cooked for just over 8 minutes, so let's take it out. We get some pasta water first. Oh yeah. Let's get this beautiful pasta out. Perfectly cooked al dente. And let's mix this beautiful pasta with the sauce. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Look at this beautiful sauce. Let's put some pasta water in. Don't be scared of pasta water. The pasta water will help you to make it creamy, okay? So do not be scared, please. Let's put the pasta in. Let's give it a nice mix. Beautiful. Now this time, let's put more pasta water. The flame is still on. I like to toss it. Nice. Let's switch off the stove now. No more stove, please. A beautiful pasta, it's already creamy. Now we want to add a little bit of pasta water. because we are about to add the pecorino cheese, okay? The pasta water is very important now. So you want to have a little bit of creamy at the bottom. Look at the creaminess there. Look at that creamy already. Look at that creamy sauce. Now, pecorino is our best friend, okay? So let's just be generous. So I'm putting a little bit of pecorino. Now we stir. Quickly stir before we start tossing. We're gonna quickly stir. Nice. Let's add the rest of the pecorino. Go for another toss. Look at that, look at that, look at this cream, look at this cream, look at this cream, look at the mushrooms, super creamy. You can add more cheese too if you want more cream. You can fake it and you can add cream if you want, but honestly you don't have to. Look at that. Look at that. And we did this in 14 minutes and 45 seconds. We did it pretty well. We did a very good job. What a fantastic quickly dinner. See guys, see this? It's creaminess. Without the cream, just with pecorino, with mushrooms and a little bit of milk, which you don't have to use. This is so creamy. You can see the pasta is making love with the sauce, with the cream. The pasta is absorbing, is holding the mushrooms, is holding the sauce very well. The importance of pasta, the pasta you use is very important here. But look, you don't want to wait too long before you eat this pasta because you don't want to lose this beautiful creaminess, you know, this velvety creaminess. Look at that. I want to show you how much cream I'm going to have on my mouth. Ready? Did you see that? Nice, delicate cream. It's not a thick, heavy cream. It's a light, delicate, tasty cream. And here we go. Beautiful fettucce with mushrooms. Look at that beautiful cream dropping here. Look at that. Oh, yes. That's what we want. The beautiful silky pasta. Now I'm searching for the cream. Let's top it up. Let's put mushrooms and cream all over the top. Let's do it. Put more on top. Yeah, beautiful. Honestly, you don't need anything else. All you have to do now is eat. Let's sprinkle some parsley, just if you want. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm sorry guys, but for me, eating in the pan is the best thing you can do. And I can eat all of this by myself. I'm not worried about this. But look how creamy, look how creamy this is. It's full of flavors. You want to add sausages? You can add sausages into this. It will really take it to the next level, but I want to keep this vegetarian. Mushrooms are beautiful. The pasta is beautiful. Delicate. The pasta is cooked to perfection. It's al dente, but it's smooth, if you know what I mean. The mushrooms go very well. Every single pasta has this beautiful creaminess on top. It makes it velvety, if you know what I mean. The parsley, something you can add. It's optional. You don't have to put it. Some people like to put wine in the sauce, in the mushroom sauce, but I don't think you do need it. I think the milk and the butter play a very important role. So, in my opinion, try not to remove these two ingredients. This pasta is simplicity at its best. You don't have to eat the same thing all the time. You can eat differently. You can have these maybe twice a month. You know that, every 2 weeks you have it, and it's beautiful. I'm very proud of this dish. Very proud to introduce you to the Vincenzo's plate, super creamy mushroom pasta. I've done a very good job. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's plate. Oh, smells so good.